Hi guys, so this is our snack night today. We bring our own chips. We bring our own. Tell them what's the name. Tell them what's the name. So me first, mine is Clover. Mine is Clover. This other Funky. So guys, now let's start. Yes. Of course, we need to share our food. Okay. Yes, share our food. Share our food. So guys, we had 3 chips. 1, 2, 3. 3 chips. Oh, we still have tiny chips. So it's small. The cat will eat it. Now let's eat. Oh, this is so yummy. Upright. Yummy upright. You see? Hey! Sharing is caring. Yeah. Okay. So good. Guys, I will do this. Hump ako. Me too. I'm do it. You look. Me too. So yummy. So yummy. So I'm gonna make a look this pizza. Oh wow. Oh. But yeah. No. The pizza. Pizza. It's a hamburger. It's so yummy. This upright. This upright, guys. And this donut. Pizza. And this tinapay. That's yummy. This ayam. Why? So it's so yummy. That's all. Bye, guys.